I'm here this evening to present information of importance to the citizens of Millington. Please see the orange door hanger on the back of your packet. It contains several websites for additional information. I am part of a group of Shelby County citizens who have been working to stop the deployment of smart meters and the smart grid scheduled to start this summer. If you see the attached map, which is your first page, that is for Memphis Light, Gas, and Water. That is for Phase 1, and the targeted areas are noted on there. We believe smart meters are not good for Shelby County and will greatly affect our citizens, especially our most vulnerable, our seniors, our handicapped, and our unemployed, through higher bills. Even Consumers Digest, who did a complete and thorough study and released their report in January of 2011, doesn't think smart meters are a smart deal for consumers and calls smart meters a boondoggle that is too expensive with a rate of return on investment of over 20 years. There are also privacy, health, and safety concerns due to the required use of wireless technology, which is relatively new, constantly changing, and whose long-term health effects are unknown and untested. In our research, citizens across the country are now fighting to have their smart meters removed from their homes and their towns. We want to stop them before they are installed here. MLGNW promotes increased savings through the use of smart meters and time of use rates. This is only true if you change the way you live, by changing your behavior. We learned from Memphis Light, Gas, and Water's pilot program report the average monthly savings was only $6.89 a month for electricity usage. If and only if you receive that savings, I say again, if and only if the participant changed their behavior. Smart meters themselves do not save energy and do not save money. They are a meter. No tests were done in this pilot program for gas and water meters. In our opinion, this test program was a failure because Memphis Light, Gas, and Water is scrapping the pilot program meters they used and going to a new vendor, a waste of our money. To our knowledge, no pilot program is planned for the new meters. Memphis Light, Gas, and Water is not being transparent or truthful about smart meters or the smart grid, and we believe due to our resistance, they are now fast-tracking their implementation. I will say that they even admitted that at a Memphis Light, Gas, and Water board meeting. A vice president of the company admitted it on film. Tomorrow, with only the approval of the Memphis City Council, a vote will take place to spend $10.1 million for the purchase of the first 60,000 smart meters. This is the first phase of approximately 1.3 million total meters. And the purchase will be for electric, gas, and water smart meters in the countywide deployment. The total estimated cost for the countywide system is $215 million. And I've heard estimates that is way too low. How will they pay for this? Memphis Light, Gas, and Water will not tell us. But we in Consumers Digest say that they will pay for this, or excuse me, we will pay for this through higher and higher rates. In addition, Memphis Light, Gas, and Water is also asking for the approval of a change to time of use residential rates for electricity. See page 2 of your handout. That is the copy that has been submitted to the Memphis City Council. That is the rate structure. Time of use rates are a new rate structure that increases rates by 80% in summer and 28% in winter during the peak usage times. Our current rates are on page 3 of your handout. That is the current rate structure through September 30th, 2013. The time of use rates they're asking will begin October 1st of 2013. We ask, if you wish to protect your citizens from this intrusive and undemocratic smart grid system, please join us tomorrow at the Memphis City Hall at 12:30 to voice your concerns and objections, first at the City Council Memphis Light, Gas, and Water Committee meeting, and subsequently the full council meeting at 3:30. In addition, we ask that the board would consider a Millington opt-out ordinance from the smart meters and the smart grid to protect your citizens from the overbearing and undemocratic intrusion by the city of Memphis. Thank you for your time and attention.
Thank you.